Hello all, welcome to Interface BCA College, Davangere. As you all know, ಸೊ ನಾವು ಇವಾಗ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವುಗಳು ನಮ್ಮ 5ನೇ ಟೀಮ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತಹ ಅಜೈಲ್ ಅಚೀವರ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನುವ ಟೀಮ್ನವರು ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತಹ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾವು ಒಂದಿಷ್ಟು ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ರಿಗಾರ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಡೆಮಾನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ಸ್. ಅದರದ್ದು ಲಿಂಕು ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ಲಿಂಕ್ನ ನೀವು ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ಗೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.
Hello everyone, we are excited to present in the phase 1 of our project. I am Anushri, team leader of this project. Let me introduce our team members. He is Pavan Kumar TM, handling the front end. She is Manasa SN, front end developer. He is Balaji CP, handling the database. She is Alia Banu, handling the backend.
Okay, yes Anushri, proceed.
Let us talk about problem statement. Our team find a common problem, that is freshers are struggling to find their job and also recruiter getting order to manage the job application. For this we brainstormed and decided to build a project that is called Job Portal for Freshers. We named it as Neo Hire. This is our project title.
Neo Hire.
Yes sir, Neo Hire.
Yes.
In our Neo Hire project, we are simplifies the problem statement, that is it will simplifies the hiring process of the for both the job recruiters and job seekers. So in our first phase, we go with research and requirement gathering, where our team members visit the existing websites like LinkedIn, Naukri.com, etc. and we gather some information like there are 3 types of users: admin, job recruiters and job seekers. And we also discuss some attributes of the users. After this, we go with screen sharing.
Yep. So, shall we go with screen sharing?
Yes.
Yes, that's nice.
This is the prototype of our UI. So this
So,
is the
can you
job.
zoom it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, okay.
This is the title of our project, Neo Hire. Here are some basic components. This is the nav bar. This is the home page main section, and this is the footer section. This is the dashboard for particular users. So this is the prototype of dashboard. This is sidebar and this is the nav bar. And we use grid for showing the jobs.
Okay, I think ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂತ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಿ. That's fine. Yep.
After this we go with the system architecture. For front end we are using React and Tailwind.
So can you zoom it?
Yes, sir. For front end, we are using React and Tailwind, and we are using Axios. This is a JavaScript library for fetching the data from the backend. While come to backend, we are using ASP .NET Core Web API. This is the 4-layer architecture where we use controllers, business layer, data access layer, and models. In addition to this, in backend we are using Dapper. This is a Microsoft NuGet package. It is basically used to store the store procedures and execute the raw SQL queries. After this, Dapper is a ORM model. ORM is oriented relational mapping. It is mainly used to mapping our results. So while come to database, we are using MSSQL Server. Because this is scalable and it will help with the ASP.NET Core essentially. After this, we go with authentication and authorization. So this is the process of authentication and authorization. In front end, user login with email and password. This will go to the backend as a credentials. In backend, it validates the credentials. If the credentials match, then JWT token will going to generate. This token will return to the front end and stored in a local storage. This is the front end, and whenever the user calls the API with a request, backend process the token, and if the token match, it will process the request. This is the process going to handle in the authentication and authorization. This is all about system architecture.
Yep. So is there anything to show something like the running piece of code and all?
Yes sir, it will later show by backend developers.
Okay. So next session is handled by Pavan. Okay, that's fine. Pavan, now it is your time.
So namaste everyone, I am Pawan. I am working as a front-end developer in this project. So before going to the screen, let me introduce the project and a short motto of our project and the tech stacks which you have used in this project. When it comes to the project which is used for or the motto behind this to bridge a gap between React recruiters and users, which freshers who are trying to find the jobs in the different sectors. So when it comes to building, we focused on building a responsive and a good experience project for a good experience of our users. So, and this is all about the intro. Let's go to the screen to go move forward.
Yep. Okay. Yes, Pawan. This is what your UI code, right?
Yes, sir.
Yep.
So let me go with the structure of a project.
Yes.
So here we have a multiple components. Based on the performance of a components, we have divided the components into a components and a pages. So here you can see the multiple pages which will be rendered to the users for showing some details in a UI, and these are the components which stay the static in a UI throughout the project.
Yep. So can you show the screen?
Yes, sir. So this is our skin.
Yes.
So we have done some animations here,
Okay.
and this is the home page of it.
Okay.
So when this is the UI for an anonymous user,
Okay.
and to impress him, we have given some information about our projects, and we have given controls to him. And so if he interested in finding jobs, he may click on the jobs to find the jobs here, and we have a list.
So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇರೋ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಇವಾಗ.
Yes, sir. These are the predefined jobs are when we are added during development.
Okay.
So this should be added by the recruiters, but we for the good experience or for a presentation purpose, we have hard coded them.
Okay.
So when it comes to the login, so he should enter the email and the password to log in and to find a dashboard. So let me log into the.
Yes.
So this is the dashboard of a user when he logins to the profile. This
user
project.
profile. Then we are going to get the user
Dashboard.
information. Okay. Okay. Okay.
So here we are going to show the ID of him,
Okay.
and we have provided or we have generated from a backend a user ID for him,
Okay.
and the name which will be given by him while registering to this website, and the user email, and here he will be giving a role of him when he is going to log into the website. So this is all about his dashboard, and when it comes to the applications, we are going to use a joins from a backend, which we are going to show the update jobs of a user, and we are showing a status of it by joining a database tables of a different. Here we can see the status which is from a different table from of a backend. So these three columns are from the same table.
So ನೀವು ಜಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಿ. Okay. Apart from this, is there anything to show?
This is all about my task in these projects, and the next task is handled by Manasa, one of my good friend and a teammate. She goes with her.
Okay. 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 Next is Mansa, right?
Yes.
Yep. Thank you, Pawan.
Hello everyone, I am Manasa. I am handling the front end part of this project. Let's start with login page.
Okay. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಮತ್ತೆ ಪವನ್ ಇಬ್ರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ, ಹೌದಾ? ಓಕೆ. 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 ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್. ಎಸ್.
ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಪೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐಡಿನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪಾಸ್ವರ್ಡ್ ನ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ.
ಓಕೆ.
ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್
ಇದು ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್, ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ಯಪ್. ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಲುಕ್ಸ್ ಆಸಮ್.
ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಇದು ಸೈಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಸರ್.
Okay.
ಈ ಸೈಡ್ ಬಾರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್, ಜಾಬ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಶೋ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಹಾಕಿದೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಈ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಬೋರ್ಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್, ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜಾಬ್ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೇಜಿಗೆ ನ್ಯಾವಿಗೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಕ್ರೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಪೋಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರುವಂತ ಜಾಬ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಜಾಬ್ ಟೈಟಲ್, ಕಂಪನಿ, ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ವೇಕೆನ್ಸೀಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಜಾಬ್ ಬೇಡ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಬಟನ್ ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಮಗೆ ಒಂದು
ಪಾಪಪ್ ಮೆಸೇಜ್ ಶೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆರ್ ಯು ಶೋರ್ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಜಾಬ್? ಓಕೆ, ಜಾಬ್ ಡಿಲೀಟೆಡ್ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ಫುಲಿ.
ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಶೋ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಏನು ಫೇಸ್ 2 ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ತೋರಿಸಿ.
ಶೋ ಆಲ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ಯೂಸರ್ ಡಾಟಾ ಎಲ್ಲ ಶೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
ಓಕೆ
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸರ್ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅವ್ರದ್ದೆಲ್ಲ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರ್ ಐ ಡಿ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮು ಮತ್ತೆ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೇಮು, ಇಮೇಲ್ ಐ ಡಿ, ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಟೈಪು. ರಿಕ್ರೂಟರ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಲಾಗಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರು ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. ಯೂಸರು ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ಗೆ ಅಥಾರಿಟಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಸರ್.
ಓಕೆ.
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಯಾವ
ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಡಿಲೀಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮತ್ತೇನಾದ್ರು ಇದೆಯಾ ನಿಮ್ದು? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ
ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್.
ಅಡ್ಮಿನ್ ಲಾಗಿನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಯಾರು ಹ್ಯಾಂಡಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ? ಆಲಿಯಾನಾ? ಓಕೆ, ಆಲಿಯಾ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮಾನಸ.
Hello everyone, I am Alia Banu. I am a backend developer of this project. So we structure our code in 4-layer architecture. So first one is the models, controllers, and the data layer and the business layer. So let me show by screening them.
Okay, okay. So need to go for screen capturing, right? Yes, that's fine. It needs bit adjustments.
So,
Alia. Yep. Wait. Yes, start. So can you zoom it?
Yes. Just I will show the layer
Okay.
how.
Okay.
So first one is the models. This models has the
Yep.
This models has the data which has represented in the database tables. And coming to business layer, we handle the some logics in this. And coming to data layer, we establish the connection between the SQL database with our ADO.NET. And coming to controllers, we handle some API endpoints. Let me show the endpoints here. So these are all the endpoints we have used in
API
the projects.
endpoints.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's fine.
So this is the admin endpoints, and for the user we have this much of endpoints, and for the recruiter we have this kind of endpoints. For the registration purpose we used these endpoints. When the users wants to log in, we have created this login endpoints. Here when the user enters the password and the Gmail, if the given credential is valid, then the backend will generate the JWT token and send it to the front end.
ಅದು ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ಟೋಕನ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ನು ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆಯಾ?
Implement ಆಗಿದೆ sir.
ಇಂಪ್ಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಓಕೆ. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇರೋದೇನೋ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಫೇಸ್ 2.
ಆಯ್ತು sir, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ
ಓಕೆ. ಯಪ್. ಎಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟೇನಾ ನಿಮ್ಮ
Yes sir,
ಕ್ವಶನ್?
this is all about our backend developer, and next my team member Balaji will go with the database.
ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅರ್ಯ. ಎಸ್.
Everyone, myself Balaji Simbi. I am handling the database in our project. Database is a backbone of our project to storing and managing the all users, repeaters, and job-related data. We design it using a MSSQL Server to ensure the data consistency and integrity security. Imagine we have 1,000 of people applying the job. How do we store and manage the efficient data? We handle this show screen.
ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡೋದಾ?
In our data.
ಯಪ್. ವೇಟ್ ಅ ಮಿನಿಟ್.
In our database, we're creating 3 tables like registration.
3 tables you have. Okay.
Registration form, post job recruiter, job application. Registration form table is used as a recruiter or user.
ಯೂಸರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರೆಕ್ರೂಟರ್ ಯಾರು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಓಕೆ ಈ ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
They need to register first using these coordinates like user ID, first name, last name. And post job recruiter table is used to as a user as a login as recruiter in posting the job using these coordinates. Job application table is used to as a user apply the jobs.
Okay.
In this purpose, we need to create the job application tables. Next time I explain the mapping coordinates.
Yes. Yeah, you know something like
Mapping coordinates.
mapping card.
Mapping.
Yeah. Okay. Scroll down. No issue. Scroll down.
Mapping coordinates are used to mapping coordinates. There are 4 types of mapping coordinates.
Yep.
Now explain one to many mapping coordinates. Like Raj is a recruiter, he posting the multiple jobs like software developer, data analyst, data analyst.
Okay.
This type. And this is example of many to many mapping.
Many mapping. Okay.
These are the job seekers like Balaji, Pawan, Prajal, is job seekers. He applying the multiple jobs like Balaji applying the software developer and data analyst. This type. This is example of many to one mapping coordinates. Like these are 3 users applying their one job. This is example of many to one mapping coordinates.
Okay.
Next, I am explaining the database relationship.
Yes. Looks like foreign key relationship.
Primary key and foreign key.
Okay.
Registration from this table is the ID is a primary key, and
Okay.
in job post job recruiter table is the reference like recruiter is ID is a foreign key.
Okay. That's fine. Yep.
This table is establishing the three tables like job application table, post job recruiter, and registration form. Establishing the primary key and foreign key relationship. I'm also using also joins.
ಸೊ ಜಾಯಿನ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀರಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಾ ಅದನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗುತ್ತಾ ನೀವು ಡೇಟಾಬೇಸ್ ಓಕೆ
In our database is a job portal is a database. In this database, we're creating
ಓಕೆ
three tables like
ಎಸ್
the
ಟೇಬಲ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್ ಎಸ್
store procedures. Okay.
Okay.
Sorry. Store
ಸೊ
procedures.
ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ಸ್
From the crowd operations like create, delete,
Okay.
update, read, and it is used to enhance the security and improve the performance and reduce the duplication.
ಓಕೆ
So this is a stored procedure.
ಓಕೆ ದಟ್ಸ್ ಫೈನ್ ಬಾಲಾಜಿ
Yes, sir.
ಅಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದಿಸ್ ಎನಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಶೇರ್
So in next phase,
ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫೇಸ್
we implement the views, triggers, and one table resume tables.
Okay. Still, many more tables are pending.
One
You
table.
people are going to implement in phase 2.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Anushri, as a team lead, so is there anything to share?
Yes, sir. In phase 2, we are going to implement recruiter dashboard and job application forum where we handle resume files, sir.
Okay. That's fine.
Yes.
Yep. It looks very problem-oriented solution.
Yes.
What actually the freshers are facing.
Yes.
Let's see the improvements in phase 2. Thank you all. Have a nice day.